Hi everybody! I'm going to do a tutorial for you on one of my very favorite products. It's called The Works. What it is an eyebrow gel and an eyeliner, but it also stays on your tightline and your waterline. And we also have awesome stencils. These are great. They're super flexible. Like they're silicone, not like that like hard crunchy plastic, so you can use them and they won't rip or wrinkle or anything weird. So here we go. So what we're going to do is we have a little brush, a little angle brush, and we're going to dip it in here, just like that. So I think what a lot of people do wrong with stencils is they think that they're going to put the stencil on and it's going to be exactly right for their eye shape and then just stencil. They don't really work that way. So what you do is you do the front and then you turn it and you do the back. So you use two fingers like that and you just hold it at the angle that you like in the front, lining this front part here up with where you'd like your eyebrow to start, just like that. So the first thing I like to do, I don't like to start in the very front because I don't want it to be too dark, so I start kind of in the middle. And I just go like this, and just little, just like you're doing, little eyebrows, hair likes. And then I go back and I do the very front because I like it to blend more, that's just my preference. So when you get up to the arch, you stop. Take that off. So then we're going to rotate. Get a little bit more. This takes so little product. It's just the tiniest little amount. So you do the same thing, but you're going to do the back half. So you line that guy up right there. And I do the exact same thing. I start more towards the middle of my eyebrow, so in the arch. And I go down. This is so easy, by the way. And you just go like that. Get the little end. There we go. And you have a perfect eyebrow. It's super easy. What did that take? Like 30 seconds? You're going to love it. The really cool thing about The Works is that you can work it, you can make it lighter, you can make it darker, but once it dries, which happens pretty quickly, it is totally waterproof and totally smudge proof. It'll actually stay on through your shower. You can wear it a couple days in a row. You don't have to do anything, even if you wash your face. Just don't remove it with makeup remover and you're good. Okay, so here we go. So we have our stencil, and so you just flip it. So before we used it this way, now we're gonna use it this way. Okay, let me get a little, I'm gonna put just the tiniest bit on here. I'm gonna do this brow a little bit lighter, so I'm just gonna wipe a little bit off. Okay, so we have options. There, I like that. I think that's great. So now what we're going to do is switch. I'm going to use some black. So I'm going to use some black. Here we go. And I'm going to do my waterline. Same product, just different color. You can do your waterline any color you want. We have 4 different colors. There is taupe, brown, dark brown, and black. And the taupe is awesome for blondes. Brown is for auburn or brunettes, and black, of course, or a dark brown. Dark brown is for, dark brown hair, kind of a medium brown to an almost black, and then black, of course, is black, and it's really popular as eyeliner. Okay, so here we go. So you just pull it down gently, don't hurt your eye tissue, like that. It goes on so smooth. Now this stuff, like, really, seriously, will stay on all day. You're not gonna end up with like runny, crazy eyes or anything like that. I don't usually do my tight line, but I'll do it for you guys. So what you do is you pull up here a little bit and you just go just under. This can be really great for blending lashes in. And that will even stay on my tight line. How crazy is that? So now that we've done a kind of smoky liner on this eye, we're gonna do a cat eye on this one. Okay, here we go. And I'm using black. This is the best stuff ever. So you just give a little pull on your skin there. Nice, smooth, straight line. People do all sorts of fun stuff. They use like spoons and tape and all sorts of things, all of which are fun ideas. Nothing wrong with any of that. I'm just gonna freehand it because you can always touch it up a little bit if you don't have the world's straightest hand. Everybody has a little shake. So I like to do mine under. So I'm gonna go ahead and line under here too. A little goes a really long way. You probably noticed I haven't even re-dipped this. Let's see, I got a little crazy there. So I'm going to tidy that up with a little bit of remover. Here we go. Which, by the way, we make. It's called Shake It Off. Here we go. Nice and straight. There we go, for a more cat eye look. Now the obvious thing we need to do is put some lashes on. So we're gonna get out our awesome magnetic liner right here. And you can go right over this with it. Stuff's so cool. So you can use it as your main liner, or you can use whatever your favorite liner is, and then just put this where you need it to hold your lashes on. So what we're gonna do is 2 coats, and then we're gonna let it dry. It's really important that you let it dry because it just doesn't stick well wet. Kind of imagine, if you can kind of imagine like a refrigerator magnet. It just wouldn't stick well because the refrigerator's all looped up with stuff. There you go. Now we have to wait a couple minutes for it to dry. It's been 2 minutes and we're now going to put on a beautiful pair of lashes. Let's see if you can see those. There you go. Ready? So as normal, start on the inner corner, lay them down. Perfect. Grab the other one. The inner corner. Lay it down. Just like that. Now if you decide you want to move them a little, because I actually did feel like I put that kind of really far into the inner corner, I'm just going to take it off and do it again. Oh, did you see it grab on there? Come on. There we go. It's like that. Here's something a lot of people don't realize. You can change the angle of the lashes. You don't have to have them straight up or straight down or in between. Just whatever position you put them in, they're gonna stay there. So this one's, I like mine kind of up, but if you want them more down, just put them on that way. And then they're a little bit less obvious. And if you want it more up, put on more up.